Hello everyone and welcome to MoonVaultTrade weekly video update. Right off the bat, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button and drop a comment with your opinion about us. It keeps us motivated and help us improve. Before we dive into the weekly update, I wanted to show you something real quick about our last video on YouTube. So this is our YouTube channel. As you can see, we were talking about this BTC drop after taking this liquidity here, and we were monitoring this WLFI move and gave you exact target around 26 cents here, and it's also drop after taking 26 cents. And also we were monitoring this ASTER move, which is, we were talking about it has a high chance to see another rally here after taking this liquidity around 4-hour refugee and staying above here. So it's also did all these three calls play out perfectly. We're gonna do the same this week and monitoring these coins. Let's see what we will monitor for this week. Here we are into the weekend range for Bitcoin. As you can see, it's moving very slowly right now. Nothing major is happening, just a small range is here. For me, the key is which side we will take first. If we take liquidity above this line, and also we might see a dip lower too, and we will have the Monday range to work with this. So the best idea to play the current range here, looking for ping pong action, then after it's take one side or both, wait for confirmation to catch a real move. For example, a close above 111.2 here, and staying above this 1-hour refugee here can lead us to upside future. Or we might see a fake pump to this level and start rejecting and slowly bleeding. We might see a dip and taking all this liquidity we were talking. If you check here, there was a lot of liquidity which is taking step by step. We also have this one, and this one, which is actually monthly low too. Right now the market is also sitting on the 7.8 fib level here, as you can see. So it's really not worth to short here for this small range here, but it really depend on what we will do in this range. We might see also like a fake rally or some fake pump like here, as you can see. After sitting, of course it was fast and it was like a week, so we might see a fake pump and the final drop or some more downside for this liquidity or this, which is actually huge for the market. So if any solid trades pop up, I will share it with you in our X, in our Discord, so you won't miss it if you are following us. Let's check out the ASTER favorite CZ coin these days. To the BTC weakness is also drop. As you can see, it's holding about this 4-hour refugee here, some inversion here, and some nice rally. The good news is we didn't took the liquidity very aggressively here, and it's created some lower high. It wasn't like this aggressive move to the downside, so it's a good sign. Maybe in some point we need to just grab this liquidity and we will see what will happen. Right now, if we draw a fib from last swing, whoops, sorry, like here, as you can see, the first reaction was here, sitting right now here, depend on also BTC move. But if we see some dip for Bitcoin and also for Astar, we might see this entry is very interesting for me to see something like this. And of course we need a confirmation for this move and see some nice rally to catch this move, which is actually huge. Like, it is almost 60-70% if we see a dip onto the 0.7 on a fib level, and also this 4-hour FG taking this liquidity here, here and here, see some dip and reclaiming, and we might see another all-time high rally for this coin. Let's take a look on a WLFI 2. We got this upside move from here to here very nicely and gave you exact target on the 26 cents here. It was like 40% move. Right now we are sitting in about this 4-hour FVG, and after sweeping this level is looking stronger than other coins. Again, it's all up to BTC, but overall I like it. Is reclaiming some small, after small this liquidity is reclaimed and seeing some strength. If we see some strength from BTC again, I think it can take this FVG and pass it for the second time, and we might see some nice rally for this coin. So we need to monitor market structure and BTC closely, and also we need to consider that if we see some weakness for market or Bitcoin, we might see another dip below this all-time low here. And if we reclaim some levels like this, just this move which is reclaimed already, we can enter at all-time low again for this coin. So we will monitoring these moves, these coins in our X, in our Discord, and keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching again. Hope this video helped you out for new trading week. Be safe out there.